I went ahead on this side of my sketchbook, I drew a large rectangle because that's what you're going to do on your watercolor paper. We're going to have to sketch kind of light whenever we do it. So I put down my first number. So I'm just going to overlap in whatever order I want to with my other 4 numbers, okay? And once I get that done, then I will move on to show you how to watercolor it. So here are my numbers again, and here is the one that I already sketched out. So I'm going to do my 4. And just focus on the number on the top. So you see how it starts to overlap. So you just need to focus on what you are drawing. Don't worry about the number that's underneath it. Just draw the number on the top. So I have the outline of my 4, and then I'm going to draw. If we were at school, then I would show you this with tracing paper. It would be a little bit easier to see, but we are not. So we're going to make lemonade. Okay, so I have a 2 and a 4. Now I'm going to go in with my 6 and then my 8. Okay, so here's the top of my 6. Y'all, my mom is sending me images about the difference between the symptoms of a cold and the coronavirus and the flu, which is all very helpful, but not really necessary right now while I'm doing this. That's okay. Okay, so I have my 6 in there. I know it's a little bit hard to tell. And then I'm going to go in with my 8, and that's going to be my last one. And so you'll notice that some of your lines are going to start really overlapping. And that's what they're supposed to do. So I know that this is the inside line for my 8. And then this is the little part of my 8. This is the big portion. And then this is the outside portion. Okay, so that is an example of what your project will look like before you start watercoloring.